My name is Frank DeVries. I own and operate Berry Acres in Linden, Washington. We farm about 250 acres of raspberries and blueberries. We've been in business for about 44 years, and we've been updating things that go in the farm with mechanization and automation. And then we moved on into like the robotic stackers and also the automated box case erectors. I think a lot of it is just watching the cost of labor go up pretty dramatically. Availability of labor and also the consistency of labor was a lot of it. And so a plant that used to run about 40 people, well, now we're running about 15 to 17 people. So we've cut our labor force by 50% or more. NeverPlast had the most compact unit to do the case erecting and the bag inserting and everything else, that we could still work with the real estate that we had available. Several of the local packers, both in Washington and BC, came up and looked at it, and since then several have bought machines since then. And like I said, a lot of it has to do with both durability but also with the footprint. Real estate was a big one for a lot of them, and I think the other thing is most of them also wanted the speed of them with that servo motors to get the max amount of boxes out per minute that you can. We crank through somewhere in the neighborhood of about 600 or 800 an hour right now. The failure rate is very, very low. It's been very good so far. Like I said, we've been maxing it out the last few days with the 10-pound boxes, and it's been about maxed out as fast as it can potentially go, and I believe that somewhere is between 18 and 20 boxes a minute. Probably in the past we would have 5 to 6 people manually building the boxes and inserting the bags before. Now we're at between 1 and 2 up there at the most. Most time 1 will do it for sticking more boxes into the cartridge. It's easy to operate in most cases, so when I go upstairs I see some of the folks that are working for us, and they seem to be very comfortable starting and stopping it. If there's a glitch, they know how to clean it up and push the buttons and get it started right over again. So in general, it's pretty doggone smooth. Well, thank you very much. They won't split after a while and dry like some of the old wooden shoes that my parents had and that we had growing up also.